In this video, I'll break down my top 5 retinol serums, my experiences, and which retinol serum I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order starting with the 5th ranked retinol serum, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best retinol serum and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have COSMEDIX Serum 16. COSMEDIX Serum 16 is an innovative retinol serum that effectively targets signs of aging without causing irritation. The formula features a 16% microencapsulated retinol complex, combining both retinol and retinol to improve the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. What sets this serum apart is its gentle yet potent formulation, making it suitable for dry and sensitive skin types that typically can't tolerate traditional retinol products. The inclusion of hydrating ingredients like sodium hyaluronate and squalene helps boost moisture and prevent water loss, while vitamin E provides antioxidant protection against environmental stressors. I appreciate that the serum is lightweight and fast-absorbing, allowing for easy integration into my skincare routine. At number 4, we have Dr. Brandt Triple Active Retinol. Dr. Brandt Triple Active Retinol is a potent night cream that effectively targets multiple signs of aging. The formula utilizes advanced retinol delivery technology, combining immediate and time-released retinol to minimize skin irritation while maximizing results. This multitasking product works to smooth fine lines and wrinkles, even skin tone, and improve overall skin texture. The cream is enriched with beneficial ingredients like bakuchiol, ceramides, and squalane, which complement the retinol's effects and support skin health. It's formulated without synthetic fragrances, parabens, phthalates, and sulfates, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. The fast-absorbing texture allows for easy application and quick absorption. With consistent use, this retinol cream promises to deliver smoother, brighter, and more youthful-looking skin. At number 3, we have Admire My Skin Retinoid Cream. Admire My Skin Retinoid Cream is highly effective for reducing wrinkles and redness. The formula contains retinoic acid, which is known for its potent anti-aging properties and ability to eliminate breakouts. This cream also includes hyaluronic acid, which helps to hydrate the skin, and hydrolyzed marine collagen, which promotes skin elasticity and firmness. Additionally, sea kelp bioferment is included to nourish and support skin health. The product is fragrance-free, vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and paraben-free, making it suitable for various skin types. You should typically apply it at night on cleansed skin and follow up with sunscreen during the day to protect against sun damage. At number 2, we have ArtNaturals Retinol Renew Serum. ArtNaturals Retinol Renew Serum is a powerful anti-aging product that contains 2.5% retinol, along with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and various botanical extracts. This combination of ingredients is designed to diminish fine lines, wrinkles, crow's feet, age spots, and under-eye bags. The serum also promotes natural collagen production, which helps to exfoliate the skin, leaving it smoother, brighter, and firmer. The formula includes hyaluronic acid, which is known for its ability to retain moisture and plump the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps to brighten the skin and even out skin tone. Aloe vera and jojoba oil are included for their hydrating and soothing properties, while green tea extract provides additional antioxidant benefits. One of the standout features of this serum is its ability to clean and tighten pores, making it particularly beneficial for those with oily or acne-prone skin. The exfoliating effect of retinol helps to keep pores clear, reducing the likelihood of breakouts. Additionally, the serum helps to reduce excess oil production, further aiding in the prevention of acne. At number 1, we have TruSkin Retinol Serum. TruSkin Retinol Serum stands out for its powerful combination of retinol, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E. This lightweight serum is designed to promote a more youthful appearance by targeting fine lines, wrinkles, skin tone, texture, and hydration. The formula harnesses the well-known benefits of retinol, which is proven to improve skin texture and promote cellular turnover. What sets this serum apart is its gentle formulation, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. The addition of hyaluronic acid helps to plump the skin with intense hydration, while vitamin E provides antioxidant benefits and supports the skin barrier. This thoughtful blend of ingredients works synergistically to enhance the anti-aging effects of retinol. I appreciate that TruSkin has created a serum that can be easily layered under other skincare products, allowing for maximum efficacy. The plant-powered formula is free from unnecessary fillers, focusing instead on high-quality ingredients that nourish the skin and promote overall skin health. It's important to note that this is a potent serum, and new users should introduce it gradually into their skincare routine. Starting with 2 to 3 applications per week and always using sunscreen during the day is recommended. The serum's ability to improve skin firmness, barrier function, and luminosity makes it a versatile addition to any skincare regimen. So that sums up my top 5 retinol serums. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.